In this video, I will walk you through the Alchemist Dashboard feature. It's going to be a personal accountant, saving, calculating, and displaying detailed reports on your trading portfolio. Let's take a look at this flowchart to see how the dashboard feature works. To begin, you can choose a trading pair from our trade proposed list. Here we have three types of list: the standard one, my list, and professional list. So when you scroll down, you will see some suggested parameters like entry zone, target zone, risk, reward, cut loss. Make sure to check them carefully. You can follow our recommendations because they have been tested by the Alchemist research team, or you may adjust the parameters to your liking. Click the Save button and place a market order on a centralized exchange such as Binance, Coinbase, and so on. The chosen trading pairs will be added to the Pending Order tab of the Dashboard Watch list. So when the real-time prices reach one or more of the predetermined price point, specifically the entry zone DCA1, DCA2, these pair will be processed to the matching order. I will demonstrate them for you. So you're gonna click my dashboard here. Wait a second. Scroll down and you will see the detailed report on your investment. Click the watch list. You'll see the pending tab, the matching order tab. So let's get back. When your orders are processed to the matching order tab, there will be three possible scenarios. The first one is when the real-time prices reach the target zone price point first, your investment will be processed to the watchlist win tab. Second is when the real-time prices reach the stop loss price point first, your investment will be processed to the watchlist loss tab. And if the real-time prices haven't reached the target zone or stop loss price point, your investment will remain in the matching order. All of the investment will be saved and reported on my dashboard feature. So there will be the number of your wins, your losses, the number of processing order, which include the orders from the matching order tab and the pending order tab, the total number of users order, and the total profit percentage and the average profit percentage. To see how Alchemist calculates the numbers of wins, losses, accumulated profit, and entry value, which is the average price of the entry zone DCA1, DCA2, and used to calculate profit percentage, they will be described in the description box below this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let us know.